Yes, so now we are discussing about information technology. In that, today we are discussing about best enterprise SEO tools. Navigating the ever-changing world of SEO can prove to be quite tricky, especially when you are dealing with big enterprises. Thankfully, enterprise SEO tools are available to help businesses. These tools are designed to optimize a company's search engine performance. Those are SEMrush. SEMrush in an all-in-one digital marketing platform that helps businesses of all sizes succeed online. It is a powerful suite of SEO tools. It helps you get higher rankings in organic search, analyze your competitors, and increase website traffic. SEMrush also provides insights into content marketing, social media management, email campaigns, and more. Features and benefits are keyword research and rank tracking, one-page SEO, local SEO, and competitor SEO analysis, competitor analysis and competitor PR marketing, PR monitoring, SEO and content marketing, paid advertising, PPC keyword research and market analysis, content creation and distribution, content optimization and link building, then content marketing analytics, social media management, and website monetization. These are the features in SEMrush. And next point is Ahrefs. This is also most important tool. Ahrefs is also an all-in-one SEO platform dedicated to helping business achieve better online visibility. It provides a suite of powerful tools including keyword research, website auditing, backlink analysis, and content optimization, and more. Ahrefs can be used by everyone from enterprise companies to small businesses with just a few employees. Next point is features of Ahrefs is SEO stand dashboard and SEO checker, site explorer, site audit, link intersect and traffic checker, keyword explorer, rank tracker and domain comparison, content explorer, content gap and word count, batch analysis, email alerts, and EDS connectors. These are the features of Ahrefs. And next point is Moz and Pro. This is the tool, a comprehensive suite, and we enterprise companies, small businesses, and SEO professionals all over the world. It helps you track the performance of your website and optimize your efforts for better search engine rankings. It allows you to access additional insights that can help support informed decisions when it comes to marketing strategies. What are the features of Moz Pro? Keyword research, rank tracking, site crawl, on-page optimization, and link research, custom reports. These are the features. And next point is Screaming Frog. It is also a very good tool. If you are looking for an SEO tool that will significantly boost your website's performance, then Screaming Frog is definitely worth considering. It is a powerful platform developed to help businesses and enterprises get the most out of their SEO efforts. The features of Screaming Frog is find broken links and audit redirects, analyze pages, page titles, metadata and discover duplicate content, extract the SEO data with XPath and review reports, robots and directives, general XML sitemaps, integrate with GA, GSC and PSI. And the next point is next feature is crawl JavaScript websites and visualize site architecture, schedule audits, compare crawls and staging. These are the features of Screaming Frog. This is also a variety tool. And next point is Bright Edge. Bright Edge is an industry-leading SEO platform for enterprises. It is designed for businesses of all sizes looking to optimize their online visibility and their presence. By leveraging Bright Edge powerful technology stack, you can quickly build a comprehensive SEO strategy that works for your business. The features of Bright Edge is SEO auditing and monitoring, SEO content and rankings, SEO reporting. Reporting means competitor analysis, data visualization, custom reports, and white label. These are the reporting concepts. And next point is Majestic. Majestic is another tool. It is also another optimizing enterprise SEO tool that can be used by businesses of any scale. It provides a comprehensive suite of products such as content analysis, backlink analysis, bulk link checker, website auditor, etc. Next point is what are the features of Majestic? SEO auditing and monitoring, SEO content and rankings, SEO reporting. This is also. In this, we have to observe that SEO auditing and monitoring means SEO alerting, SEO auditing, SEO change tracking, and technical SEO. SEO next in the features of Majestic, SEO content rankings. What it will do is link building, SERP rank tracking, localization, and content insights. So very good concepts are there. And next, the features and benefits of Majestic is SEO reporting, competitor analysis, data visualization, custom reports, and white label. These are the this is the information regarding features and benefits of Majestic. Likewise, all these 6 are best SEO tools, enterprise to SEO tools. This is the information. It will be useful to developers, especially. Wishing you all the best.